Did you know that the first gift you can give your baby is breast milk? Well, this week we get to celebrate the World's Breastfeeding Week. First 6 months of a baby are supposed to be exclusive breastfeeding, whereby a mother gives the baby breast milk for the first 6 months, in which this breast milk will give the baby the adequate nutrients that the baby needs for growth and development, and also for brain development. Well, we get to empower our mothers and our caregivers for the World's Breastfeeding Week. So, today we are going to talk about exclusive breastfeeding. What does exclusive breastfeeding mean? Well, it means that the baby is getting the breast milk only from the mother, or the expressed milk from the mother, for the first 6 months of his or her life. Well, the benefits of exclusive breastfeeding are that with exclusive breastfeeding, the baby gets all the essential nutrients needed for growth and development, starting from the immunity development, brain development, bone development, and any cognitive function development. Well, for the first 6 months, the baby is supposed to feed only on breast milk. After the 6 months, the baby can start feeding, but we start with the soft diets or the liquid diets, while we progress to much more advanced diets. We are recommended to start breastfeeding the infant within the first hour of birth, and we also should remember that the baby should have a good latch. We should breastfeed only on demand. When the baby stays on the first breast for the first 25 minutes, the next breast should also be the same minutes. Some signs that your baby is getting enough milk. We have 6 wet diapers daily since the time your baby started his or her life. We have a steady weight gain. We also have, when you see that your baby is swallowing during any time or since the time you started breastfeeding. Yes.